presenting a pre-owned 2021 JAYCO 237 RBS. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Starting with the exterior, this travel trailer boasts a sleek and modern design that is both stylish and aerodynamic. Moving to the interior, the JAYCO 237 RBS JAYFLIGHT SLX comes equipped with a spacious and comfortable living area that is perfect for entertaining guests or relaxing after a long day of exploring. It has a large U-shaped dinette that can be converted into a comfortable bed, as well as a cozy sofa that provides additional seating. The kitchen is also well appointed, featuring a 3-burner range with oven, a microwave, and a large refrigerator with freezer. There is also a double sink with a high-rise faucet, making meal prep and cleanup a breeze. The bedroom is located at the rear of the trailer and comes complete with a comfortable queen-size bed, wardrobe storage, and overhead cabinets. There is also a fully equipped bathroom with a shower, toilet, and sink with vanity.